It all started on a quiet day when Tim decided to host a casual gathering for his friends. As everyone mingled, he prepared snacks in the kitchen. Suddenly, he felt a sneeze coming on, but instead of the usual achoo, it turned into a wild honk. His friend Jerry, paranoid about germs, mistook it for a fire alarm and panic ensued. The guests tried to exit but ended up tripping over each other and crashing into Tim's exquisitely decorated cake. Bloops and blunders filled the air as everyone tried to make sense of the chaos. Just when things seemed dire, Tim, covered in cake frosting, pointed and said, "Who knew sneezing could lead to such sweet chaos?" As everyone burst into laughter, they realized it was the best party they'd ever had.